Tango down!
Alright guys, finally after 3 months I am back with another video from Soft Air NJ. This time the game mode is Chaos. As usual, everybody splits up into 3 teams. If anybody is hit, you can run up and tap them 30 times and then they are on your team. Last team standing wins. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Before we get into the video, I just want to say a special thanks to my friend Brett and for the people who subscribed to my channel in the past 3 months. It makes me really happy that you guys have been subscribing even though I haven't posted any videos recently, so thanks. That should be it, so let's get right into the video.
One by village. God. Where's any con? We lost it. I think Kevin.
Are those two guys over there blue star?
I'm not sure.
Right. Shoot them, shoot them.
Kevin, follow me.
No, you're fine.
Are you dead?
You have to tap me 30 times.
Oh, you're dead, alright.
You're blue star, right?
Yeah, blue star.
Yeah, blue star. Blue star!
Oh, we're Harambe now? Okay, Harambe.
I don't know. We're Harambe now? Harambe! Six out! Six out! Six out! Six out! Six out!
Kevin, move up on me.
Good. What team?
Harambe.
What's your left? Let's find the switch here.
Then, got him. Nice.
We got a stretch for left
Good.
there.
Sit. Got it in the pit.
Straight ahead here. Look out, look out, look out. There's a sniper pushing on the left.
Two by 12!
I spotted an enemy moving up on my left, so I move into better coverage fire on me. By moving into some new cover, I ended up getting shot by the enemies I was shooting at before, but my team successfully revives me, and then we move into attack the village.
There's some in the village, just move up.
With the village cleared and the last enemies killed, my team wins the game. In the next game, me and Kevin go on a mission to liberate the left insurgency building.
I'm gonna try and move up into the building.
I'm moving left. You guys moving left.
As I move up to the building, I hear gunfire to my left and Kevin gets hit.
Come around. Let's go.
Good men sent off.
Keep moving. There's a trench up here we can go up. We can cut their escape. There's a trench right up here. If we can stay low, we can maybe get past them. Stay low.
Over my left. There's one guy in the doorway looking straight.
Yeah. He's watching that window. I'll get him. Got him.
On the left side of the building.
I got his attention, Kevin. Try and get him.
Where's the guy in the tower?
One guy to our left. Hit!
Tower's down.
This guy. He's right next to the building. Is he still alive? I don't know.
Me and Kevin both weren't expecting this guy to rush us hard on the left, so we both ended up getting hit. That's gonna be it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you.